Okay, we are going to unbox the Squishies we just bought. I spent almost $100, but we got 20% off, so it was around $70. Let's see what he got.
So first of all, we have a gummy bear.
Okay.
Opa. Okay.
Let's see what he got.
Look. Squish test.
Let me feel it.
Bro.
All right. Everybody's calm down. Let him. He's gonna open it, and he's gonna feel it
Let me
first.
feel it.
Look at that.
Come more towards
Like
the middle.
slow rise too.
Can I feel it?
Hold on. Let's wait. Okay. Oh, okay.
Here, ready?
Let me try, Mom.
Ooh. Oh. Okay.
Okay, Emma. My turn. Now, Blake.
Oh,
Okay.
Emma.
Actually, no. I'm gonna give Emma some more squish. Okay.
Okay, hold
Give
on.
Emma. Give
Let me
Emma.
feel it.
Give Emma. Give Emma.
Wow.
Give Emma, Blake.
Ooh, it feels so good.
All right,
Hey!
let Emma have it now.
That feels nice, right?
All right, next one.
Okay. Okay. Next, we have a big banana squishy.
Whoa.
Whoa! Okay. Big boy.
Let me see this.
Hold on. Let me
Put it,
squish
you
it.
gotta make. I want to show you how to do it.
Let me squish it.
Look, y'all, look at this. Oh my God! All right, you ready to squish it?
No.
Try to eat it. Go up in the middle.
Goodbye.
Ooh, it sounds watery.
Can I try it, Jace? Sounds like a... Ew. It's too long.
Yeah, I already said in the store that this one was not my favorite, but if you like it,
I like it.
No,
all right,
Hold on, let me get all this at the bottom.
Ew. I like it.
brother. Ooh. All right, let's see the next one.
Look.
Okay.
Oh, Emma. Can I have the gummy bear? Exchange. Okay, for this one. Okay.
Please.
My mom really likes this one. And then after we'll do this, guys.
All right.
The
Squishies.
cheese. Okay.
Give me the cheese.
Okay. Squish test. Look at that big boy. Look.
There's a lot of air, it looks like.
Can I try?
That's
Can I
good.
try?
All right, guys.
Bro, obviously.
This thing is really cool.
Can I try now?
Oh my.
Wait.
Come on.
Whoa, Emma, you want to feel it?
My turn.
All
My
right.
turn.
All right.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, I told you it's nice.
I mean, there's too much air, though. We have to pop it.
We're not popping that.
No, like
Pop it.
getting the air out.
All right. Show yours,
We're not
Blake.
With the air seal.
Show yours, Blake.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, so first of all, we got this little pink cube.
Put it like right here in the middle,
Yeah.
like this.
Oh, yeah, we got the pink cube. And ooh, wow.
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 It feels
Can I
so
try?
good, yeah.
Oh wow.
Wow.
There's hair on it. It's very sticky.
Honestly,
I don't like the hair on it. All right, next one.
Okay, next one is this little,
What is it called?
called the Squeeze Sugar Dice.
Squeeze sugar dice.
All right,
There's
so
a bunch
look
of
at-
balls.
I mean, it's not that. I mean, but
Well,
this one,
I guess it looks like a sugar cube. That's why.
yeah. Whoa, that is different.
Can I feel it? This is good.
Where's that? Give me.
Let me see. Oh, very sticky. Super sticky. I'm not sure if I like the sticky ones.
I do.
All right, guys. Follow, like, and subscribe. We will do another squishy hunt next week. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.